This is the 2-in-1 kitchen oil bottle right here. You get the sprayer on here where it has the aerosol feature without the actual aerosol. And then if you just flip it open right here, it just pours out. I picked one of these up a few weeks ago. This has my avocado oil in here. I picked up a different color one. I'm going to be putting coconut oil in this one. I liked it so much. I was using the aerosol cans for the coconut oil and the avocado oil. Ever since I switched to this is just a much better option. 16-ounce capacity in here. It's got the porcelain glass bottom right here. The base is all glass, very heavy duty glass. This goes all the way to the bottom. So I ran this all the way down before and it just works great. Like I said, I was so pleased with the avocado one here. I just went out and got the second one here. The coconut oil, we use probably almost as much as the avocado oil. So I wanted to just make sure I had it so we didn't have to keep using aerosol. So this is just a much better option. You don't have to rely on the aerosol cans when they run out. You're just going to be able to use this. You're going to be able to spray, see how much goes in there, and you know exactly what is in there because you're filling the bottle up yourself, unlike the aerosol cans where you don't really have any control of that. So definitely want to check this out. It's the 2-in-1 kitchen oil bottle. I highly recommend it. Again, I'm very pleased with this one. This is the green one here, and this is the new one I have here. This is the black. Highly recommend these. They work fantastic.